last challenge of the day, the Woodwork challenge. He's coming out of goal. Hopefully now we can beat him. So yeah, we're just gonna see who can nail all the 2 posts in the crossbar first. Yeah. Don't want to challenge.
Don't want to challenge. Yeah.
God, you fat.
Oh. No, not enough dip.
No.
Good point though. Good point.
Time to smash it.
Time to smash it. Exactly. Oh! First try. Oh my god.
Okay, I've hit crossbar and these 2. I'm winning. I'm actually winning. Okay.
Not for long.
Did that hit?
I don't know.
I didn't hear it though.
We're gonna have to VAR that one.
So we're not counting it. He doesn't even want to take it. It was net really.
Yeah.
So
it was close though. Oh, he was going for bottom post. The golf stick, yeah. Put some actual stroke into it, you know. Oh god, that sounds.
What the fuck?
Oh, sorry. What kind of fucking golf stick are you playing at?
It's been had.
Oh. It was close though. Oh.
Dean is not wanted. I'm not wanted. Love you, Dean.
Oh, it's. Oh. Big start.
Paid workers.
Oh.
Right, I'm gonna do the Mitchy Bashy White. Come with me. Come on.
Yes, sir. We're counting it. We're counting it. What, tic tac?
The tactic with these is
Tic tac.
when you're going for the left post, you want to like just curl it around, you know.
Ethan, we're not going for net. You absolute tool.
This is my baby.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh no.
This is what I meant by the curly whirly.
Oh, the curly whirly.
Oh, the curly.
All right.
Oh. Oh, he nearly sniped us. Ooh.
If I hit this, then I win the whole video. That's my channel. Fuck it, I don't care.
You hit the crossbar, you get what now?
Oh, yeah, hit the crossbar, I get 2 Freddos.
I'll bring you. I've 20 on my back case. I'll actually buy you 2 Freddos in the shop.
Nice. Yeah, no, we'll do that.
I actually will. I
Yeah.
swear.
Well, yeah.
I'll actually buy. I'll buy myself a Freddo while I'm there.
And me one. Oh no, the Freddos! No! No! Okay.
Not phased.
This guy sucks. Yeah.
I'm gonna imagine Killian in goal. I'm gonna imagine going for that top right.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen again. Cristiano Ronaldo. Take pointers.
Oh. Oh, let's go. We count those. He's got 2 down.
Oh my god, at this point, like I should. I don't.
Oh. Ethan. Oh, the dip. Ethan, will we just do next crossbar hit wins or something?
So basically, we need to record something for them. Make sure to check them on Instagram. It's Save Goalkeeping, SAAV, and then Goalkeeping. Make sure to check them out, give them a follow, and now we have to record something for there. So we'll be over there as well. Famous, I know. So yeah, okay. So basically, it's the next person at the crossbar wins.
Nice.
Which is going to be right now.
Ah, you won. Oh my god.
I'm deleting my Instagram! Get a chance of redemption.
Yeah, okay,
Chance.
come on, Killian. If you hit this, I'll get really hyped. Oy! For redemption.
Oh, wait, nah.
Oh,
That ends it for another video.
come anymore.
Come on, bro.
There we go.
So we've had Dean here, don't want a child,
They want to.
and we've had the keeper, just known as the keeper.
Don't have a name.
He will definitely be in another video. He might come along.
I mean,
He didn't really make a difference.
if he's
though.
wanted,
No,
I didn't
so,
do anything.
Once we'll be here again with Dean, and we'll do FDM versus a pro keeper, and that'll be the next video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what videos you want to see next. And yeah, peace.